Akila, what's on for agenda for tonight? Another bit of the ultra-violence?
Atoy, my boy, tonight we shall paint the town of red and have a bit of old fun, the real horror show.
I'm in, Akila. Let's show the bloody rooters what we're made of.
Yeah, let's crack some skull. I have a bit of a laugh.
Right, oh my drugs, the night is young and the city of is ours for the taking. Let's make some noise, live on mark on this filthy world.
Few hours later.
Pan, ano gagawin sa dalawa yan?
Let's kick their ass.
Okay.
Ma'am, di namin nabutan doon, nakatakas.
Ikaw, kayong nagbubog niya sa akin, no?
Tay, anong nangyari dito?
Sila yung nagbubog sa akin noong noon.
Sir, magbago na po kami.